Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. My name is Blessing Bidiaco, and I'm so glad you're here. If you're like me, you're probably curious about a lot of things. I've always been driven by a desire to learn, not just about one specific topic, but about everything that can help us grow and succeed. That's really what this channel is all about. Here, we dive deep into the world of business, exploring what makes great leaders and successful entrepreneurs tick. We look at the strategies behind powerful management and the secrets of building something from the ground up. But it's not all business suits and boardrooms. I'm also fascinated by history, the incredible discoveries in science, and the real-life stories of people who have achieved amazing things against all odds. These stories are not just interesting, they're packed with lessons we can apply to our own lives. My approach is calm and analytical. I love breaking down complex ideas to find the practical, meaningful core. I believe that knowledge should be accessible and, most importantly, useful. This channel is especially for students and young people who are getting ready to build their future. The world is full of opportunities, and I want to share insights that can help you navigate it with confidence. We'll explore how discipline, creativity, and a strong sense of purpose can guide you toward your goals. It's not about quick fixes or overnight success. It's about steady, meaningful growth. Every video is designed to do three things: educate you with valuable information, motivate you to take action, and encourage you to keep moving forward, one step at a time. I believe that learning is a lifelong journey, and it's a lot more fun when we do it together. I'm excited to share what I've learned and to learn from you as well. So if you're passionate about personal growth, business, and discovering new ideas that can shape your future, you're in the right place. Thank you so much for stopping by. I hope you'll stick around, hit that subscribe button, and join our community of curious learners. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.